I am Ari, and I am living proof that you can still have a life with disability. Welcome to my journey. Hey, so we are going to make some fry bread today. We're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon, 1/4 cup powdered milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and warm water. There's no measurement for this. I just kind of mixed it in as I went, and until I saw the dough was pulling from the edge, and not too sticky. Although it was still a little sticky here, but gotta give a little bit. I could add more flour to help pull it from the edges better, but I also didn't want to keep adding more flour. In this case, you can use all-purpose flour, but I used bread flour because I like fluffy. It works a lot better. The gluten just helps it really fluff out. So what I did was I threw it in the stand mixer and just mixed it up until I felt it was well kneaded, and then I rolled it out and kneaded it by hand a little bit, which is just the fold in half and press method, which is nothing special. And what you do is you cover and let rest for at least 10 minutes, just like 2 hours in my case, but everything melds together is pretty, and then this makes 6 pieces of fry bread. Of course, if you want to do smaller pieces, you can do that as well. Probably do 8. And sorry, I'm adjusting my chair, so that probably didn't sound good. So then you want to roll it out kind of like a tortilla. In fact, if you want it as thin as you would probably roll a tortilla. With the fry bread, everyone thinks it's gonna be big and fluffy. It'll get there, don't worry. See, there we go. I threw in some oil at 350 degrees. I think it's supposed to be about 375. You can do it in a skillet as well with about 2 inches of oil, but I have a deep fryer, so sorry for all the squeaking. I promise that's my chair. So that's pretty much what you do. Then you just fry them all up. Try not to pop the bubbles, otherwise you get some crispiness going on, which isn't always bad. And then there's another method where you can kind of dunk it down to cook it as well. I was just playing around with both so I can show everybody everything. So you just keep tossing them in. Keep browning them on both sides. And make sure you put them in a well-draining area. That's not one thing I did and I should have done, and I completely spaced it off. But you want them to have like a drying rack or a draining rack where they can drain out, or have paper towels in between each of them. I didn't do that. So I had some little bit of a greasy fry bread, but I blamed it on the fact that it's fry bread. So then afterwards, all you do is just add all your favorite stuff to it. We did tacos tonight. I also did some tostadas where I just kind of smeared them with some refried beans and some cheese. Yeah, I have a battery pack in my hand if you're wondering. So yeah, they soften up. All the bubbles kind of flatten out a bit and stuff. So yeah, we did a taco night. All over the place. The avocado mix wasn't that great. It's just, yeah. Yes. But we did, yeah. And then Toxie really likes this salsa verde. So that's pretty much what we did. We just made the tacos. So what do you think of the fry bread? That's a seal of approval right there.